If you're into product photography and you want to learn how to create everything from simple white background e-commerce shots to complex advertising images, then this YouTube channel is for you. What's happening? My name is Max Bridge. I'm an e-commerce and advertising photographer based in London. The thing that I love most about advertising photography is that if you can imagine something, then you can produce it. So long as you have the skills to do so, you can create your vision. With this YouTube channel, I want to give you those skills. However, I recognize that your time is precious and I don't want to waste it. With that in mind, I'm going to split videos up into 3 categories. We're going to have basic, intermediate, and advanced. Now what that means is that if you're watching an advanced video, I'm not going to waste your time teaching basic photography and Photoshop techniques. And vice versa, if you're watching a basic video, I'm going to hold your hand, assume you have less knowledge, and teach you everything every step of the way. If you like the sound of that and you want to learn about product photography, then subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you later.